Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll tell you how to achieve this makeup look. So let's get into the video.
For my eye makeup base, I'm using concealer and then I will blend it. To avoid harsh line over my eyelid, I'm gonna apply pressed powder. So today I'm using this gorgeous Me Beauty Glaze eye palette. First shade I'm picking is this light pink shade. Apply this above your crease line in a circular motion. Next shade is this brown shade. Apply it only on your crease line. For outer corner, I'm taking this bright pink shade. So for creating half crease over my eyelid, I picked LA Girl Pro Concealer. For a shimmery touch, I'm using the silver shimmer. Eye makeup is almost done. Let's jump into the face makeup. The foundation I'm using here is this a 9 to 5 Lakme foundation plus primer. My foundation already has primer, so I skipped primer. If you have normal foundation, you can definitely go for it. I'm blending it with the help of blending brush. As shown in the video, apply concealer and then contouring stick.
Sometimes I feel that my luck's run out. When things don't go to plan, I kinda lose my mind. I hope it's real. This life comes around. Just give
At last, blend a darker part.
eternal.
Moving towards baking, I'm using this Lakme loose powder. On highlighted point like this, let me swipe off the excess powder from my face. Now I'm applying this bronzer. I'm taking this blush for apple of my cheeks. For highlighting my face, I'm going to use this highlighter. It's time to complete eye makeup. For my lower lash line, I'm picking this light pink and brown shade. Then apply mascara and eyeliner. I'm using this copper eyeliner for my waterline. Next, I'm outlining my lips with this pink lip liner so that it will increase the size of my lips. Pink lipstick, and we are done.